A golden crispy hash brown crust filled with a rich, fluffy egg mixture, layered with velvety smoked salmon and fresh herbs. Every bite is a perfect balance of crunch, creaminess, and savory flavor, an elegant twist on classic comfort food. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. First, grab your cheese and grate it finely. Next, line a bowl with a clean tea towel. Now, place the hash browns into the tea towel and squeeze out all the excess moisture. Once done, transfer them to a mixing bowl. Use a knife or fork to break down any solid lumps, so the hash browns are broken small. Next, add 2/3 of the grated cheese, a pinch of salt, and the melted butter. Mix everything together until well combined. Line your springform tin with baking paper and grease it with butter to make sure nothing sticks. Put the hash brown mixture in the tin, press firmly on the bottom and sides, filling all corners with no gaps. Gently brush the hash brown crust with the remaining melted butter to give it a golden, crispy finish. Sprinkle the remaining cheese evenly over the bottom of the hash brown crust for an extra cheesy layer. Bake until golden and crispy, about 30 minutes, then let it cool a bit. Chop the salmon into small pieces. Break 8 eggs into a large mixing bowl and finely chop a handful of fresh dill. Now, pour the eggs into a mixing bowl along with the heavy cream, sour cream, and a pinch of salt. Using a whisk, beat the mixture thoroughly until it becomes smooth and creamy, ensuring all the ingredients are fully combined. Gently fold in the chopped smoked salmon, capers, and additional fresh dill into the egg mixture until everything is evenly combined. Then, carefully pour the mixture into the prepared crust. Place the quiche in the preheated oven and bake until the filling is fully set and lightly golden brown on top, about an hour. Remove the quiche and run a sharp knife around the edges to loosen it. Place the quiche on a wire rack to cool, remove the springform ring, and let it cool for another 20 minutes. Once the quiche has cooled slightly, carefully arrange slices of smoked salmon on top, letting the vibrant pink contrast beautifully with the golden filling. Using a sharp knife, cut the quiche into even slices, making sure each piece holds its shape. Serve the quiche warm, so that the creamy filling and delicate flavors are at their best. Perfect for a comforting breakfast or brunch. Just look at this salmon quiche. It's pure deliciousness. The creamy, dreamy filling, the smoky salmon, and that fresh pulp of dill come together in every bite. Save and follow for more recipes.